Hello everyone, this is the series. I'm going to make this a series. This is a series that's going to define my review of other animes. For the first episode, we're doing High School Girl. And High School Girl is a story about two humans who met at a arcade game, which is really normal for them. These two became friends after fighting in the arcade. Let's give them the name. So the first one is Oono Akira. You can call her Oono. And the other one is called Haru. Haru is Haru, what's it? Yaguchi Haru. So this one is manga in Japan. So it was popularized, I'm not sure when, but many people from the net are not much talking about this. I've been trying to find a thread in this one. So let's start off with how they met. They met in the old-fashioned arcade area that is close to. I mean, that's far away to his from Haruo's house, which kind of upset the Haru Yaguichi, or let's just call him Haru. Uh, this man has a nickname called Beastly Fingers Haru, which he is known for his area playing Street Fighter 2. Ono is a rich girl in his school that he accidentally sees when playing the game. With the two bipolar opposites, Haru is a rich girl that's trained by many people and kinda getting strict from his teaching from the household. So after these 2 months, they get to many adventures, from going to Osaka, Siam, and other places in their area. Then after a few months, they get separated because Ono's parents got divorced, and Yaguichi, after being left behind, promised that after Ono comebacks, he promised that he would be a better player than Ono, and that Ono would accept that is that's Ono has an equal in gaming. So after 2.5 years, Yaguichi has never changed, just being a gaming addict. Somehow met Koharu Hidaka, our other MC. Uh, this girl is your typical burn your eyebrows until you learn everything. So this typical character becomes our MC in meeting Haru in the arcade, because Haru has been training for 2.5 years to beat Ono in the Street Fighter genre. So I mean any genre, of course. So after meeting and getting on adventures with Haruo, Hidaka falls in love with Haruo. After a few episodes, we seems to get a hint that Ono is coming back. So in episode 8, I think, or 6 or 7, 6, 7, 8, Ono comes back to his to the to the area, and oddly enough, they are on the same school. But don't be so overjoyed because these two would separate, because of being a high school. You got to have in Japan, you got to have a GPA that's required by the school. So in this arc, they get separated because I'm going to spoil you, everyone. I think I wouldn't spoil you that. Just watch the anime if you want to know. So why am I telling my impression of this anime? Because this anime just resembles Toradora. If you don't know Toradora, you should just search it in another YouTube platform, because you would see it every time you just type Toradora or any AMB, because this one has the most pills in anime that I know, except for Anohana, because that one has every episode in pills. So Toradora is one of the slice of life, just like High Score Girl. But this time, High Score Girl is a comedic arcade, the aesthetic of it, while Toradora is just high school, typical normal high school. But in High School Girl, you got you get a school with a theme about it. This splice of light that you put a gaming genre, a real life implicating matter. I mean implicating subject, and put it in real time. This is the difference with High School Girl and Toradora. I kinda like how they approach every time, because if you watch this High School Girl, you'll get a reference of what year that game came out. So if you do watch this anime, I would consider you give some slack to the creator of this one, because sometimes it's in CG, that's why you wouldn't like the quality of the anime. It's not so bad, but you can live with it, because con- the content of the story is such a good one that you forget how bad the art style was, and also the CGI shit that you see is the worst one that I have seen in anime. But the story is such a good one that I didn't even that I binge watched it in a night. Yes, I am telling you the truth. I binge watched it in a night. Meaning, through episode 1 to 11, which we are now on 11, almost closing to the 12 and the 13, I think. This anime is going to end in, oh, I just saw it. It's only episode 12. Sorry about that. So, next time is the last episode. This is why I'm making it right now, because it's almost ending. And if you're going to watch this anime, it's more better than to binge watch it, than uh, to change anime before watching it, then I mean watch this, then watch another anime, then watch this again. I would recommend that you just straight up to 1 to 12 after, if you're watching this after the series has end. So my final review is for this is about 7 out of 10, because this anime is such a good one that you forgot that the art style so much suck that you just love it from the start and until the end. That's how much this anime was that caught me off guard, because if you saw the commercial, the every single art style that you see in this anime, you would just gouge out your eye, because this is how much it sucked in art style. The quality was so bad in CGI that I would just puke at it. That's how bad this anime was. But even though it was delivered like that, I don't know if it was rushed, but it was such a good anime in content and in storytelling that you just forget that it was like that. Just like Toradora, this the storytelling was almost made me cry sometimes. Almost, because I watched Toradora already, which this one also made me feel the feels, man, the feels of this anime. It's like Toradora, that's why I'm giving it a 7 out of 10 in this anime. But overall of the anime in right now, this is got to be my number 2 or number 3. for 2018, because my number one is always Overlord for 2018. So just watch this, then comment, or just comment, then watch the anime because you would love this. Especially if you're a Toradora fan, you would watch this because the pills are there. Even if you're not a gamer, I promise you, you would love this anime. So that's all my review in this high school girl. I did the background of a bit, and I hope you like what I said, and I hope you watch this anime. I only made this anime review so other people would want to watch this, because even the artwork sucks, it's kind of good in the content and storytelling, which anime is trash like now. Give this number one spot right in this year. So goodbye, and thank you for watching my review. I hope you like it, and see you next time. Also comment if you like my review or you disagree with it.